Hi, today I want to talk to you about a really great product. It is the Sweet Cream Matte by Jordana Cosmetics. This is a great lipstick. Now, I know that a lot of people have an issue finding the perfect matte lipstick that is not over drying, that won't transfer. I think that this is it. It's a really great product. The payoff is really good. And it's not over drying. I know that's a huge deal breaker when it comes to buying matte lipsticks. I know that it's the look that you want, but no one wants to feel uncomfortable in their lipstick. They don't want to feel like it's flaking or drying off, or that they're going to need to reapply it throughout the night. And I will say that this matte lipstick definitely lasts for hours. It's transfer proof, so you're not going to see it on your cup or on your straw. It's also kiss proof if you're going out on a date. It's really great. I've been using it for some time now, and so I definitely wanted to share it with you. So first of all, it is a small tube, but it can last, if you're not going to wear it every day, at least up to 2 months. It's a good amount of product in the vial. The wand, which I just want to show you, is a very simple wand. I guess you can see this one's actually is new. So it's a very simple wand. It's angulated at a way where it goes right onto your lips perfectly. Very simple application. I know liquid lipsticks often scare off women because they don't know how to apply it, but this is a perfect one. It's small, you can take your time, and just kind of outline your lip and then fill it in. That's the best way to do it. The fragrance is a really sweet vanilla, but it's not overpowering. I know that a lot of women wearing lipsticks, they don't want to smell the fragrance throughout the night. It can be really harsh if you're sensitive to perfumes and fragrances, and I can say that this is a very light fragrance. You won't notice that it's there. Now, I just want to talk about the payoff. So the payoff of this product is really great. As you can see, it goes on really smoothly. It's a really rich, dark color. It'll give you full coverage, so you don't have to pack on layers of this, which I know is definitely a way to avoid over drying so that you have the color. It's a really great smooth formula. It goes on creamy. Again, full coverage. You don't see any holes there, no gaps. So it goes on smooth on your lips. It'll give you a great amount of payoff without having to pack it on, which means it won't be layers upon layers of the product, so it won't dry. Now, it does mattify, but it's really smooth. So as you can see, it's already starting to dry. It's not coming off. It's not moving. Give it a couple minutes so that it can dry matte completely, and you won't need to reapply it for at least several hours. One great thing about this product is that you can eat in it. I've used it for many months, and I put it on, go to dinner. It's still there at the end of the night. It's not on my fork. It's not on the rim of my cup. It's a great product for that. And also, it comes in a variety of different shades. So I have a couple more here just so that you see. So that one is kind of like an essential nude brown color. Really great, very wearable, everyday wear. They have this really beautiful red that, again, full coverage, really great payoff. It's a good universal red. Anyone can pull that color off. So that's really good one. And they have this beautiful berry pink color. Now, again, these are just a few. I believe they come into about 10 to 12 shades, all different colors, all different shades. There's something out there for everyone, I feel, with this brand. They're very portable, as you can see, very simple, small vial. Put it in your makeup bag, throw it in your purse, put it in your pocket if you think that you're going to need it later. Again, when I'm wearing these, I don't have to apply and reapply that often. But, for those who are, going for an all-day wear, maybe you want to bring it with you if you want to. Again, not saying that it's necessary, because these definitely stay. They're all the same fragrance. They also have that vanilla fragrance, which is really light. You can barely smell it. It's very simple. It's a sweet vanilla flavor to the taste, so it's enjoyable in that way, hence their name, Sweet Cream. These are a really great product. Jordana is a smaller brand, and I think that these have, definitely, got on the market and are taking off. Again, at about 10 to 12 shades. There's different reds, different shades of pink, different nudes. Also, they do come out with holiday collections. Usually around Christmas or Halloween, they release different shades. They come in metallic colors. They come in dark colors. So they have a really beautiful burgundy. They've had, blue. They've had orange for Halloween. Really, really interesting shades. Some wearable, some, just for the season. Either is fine, depending on, what your look is. Again, the wiper, just to show you again, the wiper is really good. It's angled, perfectly for a very clean application. So again, for those who are a little intimidated by applying a liquid matte lipstick, this is the wand for you. You can hold it steady. You can outline your lip with the tip and then just fill it in with the rest of the brush, and it just kind of goes back on. Very simple. You're not going to lose any product because it's definitely on tight. It's a glass vial. It's not a ton of product. Again, as you can see, it's very small. But again, I don't think that you're going to be over applying it. It's kind of the perfect amount. Now these come loose. They don't come in a box or anything like that. They just come the way that they are. Generally when you buy them, they're shrink wrapped just around the cap, and then they come with the bottom label that will tell you the shade name and the shade number. And so it's very simple. You just kind of grab it and go. So I would definitely recommend giving these a try. The Payoff is really great color. Vibrant colors. The fragrance is really sweet and very subtle. It's a fun variety of shades. So I definitely recommend this product. I just wanted to, take the time to share that with you.